is Miss G. Today we're going to be making hash brown casserole.
This is what you'll need to make hash brown casserole. 1/4 cup of melted butter, sharp cheddar cheese, breadcrumbs, cream of chicken soup, sour cream, a small onion, and a bag of frozen shredded hash browns. We're going to start with a big bowl. Now I like to use this dish pan just because once I put my hash browns in here, it's kind of hard to mix when you've got a smaller bowl. So I'm going to use this. You're going to need a can of cream of chicken soup. You also need to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You're going to need 8 ounces of sour cream. Now this has 16 ounces, so I'm only going to use half of it. You need 1/4 cup of melted butter. I'll chop my onion and put it in my handy chopper so I can get it real fine, because I don't like to get a big chunk of onion in my hash brown casserole. So I'm going to put that onion in, and I don't think I'm going to put all of that because that was a little bit bigger of an onion than I wanted it to be. You need a small onion, and I can put this up for later. You're going to need a cup of breadcrumbs. I've got about a cup left in here, so I'm just going to use them all. You need a cup of cheddar cheese, sharp cheddar cheese. This bag holds 2 cups and I'm about half, so I'm going to put this whole half of the bag of sharp cheddar cheese. And I'm going to go ahead and mix that together. This is also a good place to go ahead and salt and pepper. And I'm going to put my whole bag of hash browns. And I just laid these out on the counter just so I wouldn't have any big chunks of hash browns. See, they're separated. They're still frozen, but they're separated. So I'm just going to mix those in. You can see how that looks. It's not real soupy, but you can tell that everything's mixed together really well. It's kind of a firm mixture. You can see there's cheese on all of it. So now I'm just going to spray my pan, and I'm going to pour this in my pan. Spray my pan. So it won't stick. I'm just going to pour my mixture right in and just pat it down. I'm going to stick this in the oven for an hour and I'll see you in a few minutes. So I forgot to take a picture of my finished product, but here it is. This is all we had left. And hash brown casserole was what was for brunch.